Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Meghalaya Cycling Association kalalit banishimenta ka National Mountain Bike Cycling Championship ha jilla Arunachal Pradesh kablalong ha khatar hadu khatsan trik urumphang arhajar arphendrio kino yele kai jong ka Meghalaya Cycling Association kilele kai bha hakba Titus Parak le yo bandra ya gold medal umali Ritenda nagajila Maharashtra ule yo ya silver but umeban ai boklang suyam na Meghalaya ule yo ya bronze medal ya kan ka kinhuan lapdyang snobha hanin kasngi hanehu ha ka ba president ke MCA uba learning as bare haringkat gidkhot chung kinhuan kilapdyang balapun ko buram yiki habekran but Titus Parak ulaong bakalong ba sngotanat banyo eshimenta hani ka national championship kabalapendong ha ka than stay lamingi bat ka jingjob ya ka championship ka ben kemen show yu kani kamde ka sien baningkong banyo medal handai ka sien baningkong baun yo ra ya ka gold medal ula benrap da ka baong bu ne shimbenta show kani ki por ki banwan ula thur bawla hikai hi bat ula yo jingrap na ka wi ka company na Delhi kile rap yu habun ki benta bat bande shimbenta ru ha kani ka championship umarak ule thuru bawla pendap ya ka degree ha ka jing pule jong u show ula ong blada ya nujor bat ki jing kop ha international ngidang sa dien bha bat ngidang don kam ban trish tom show nakliang umeban ai boklang suyam habekran merginong thok khobor ule tho bole shimbenta hakani ka national championship Arunachal Pradesh bat ule shimbenta hakmen elite ule thuru bawlalit ban shimbenta RCN hak international bat sansian hak national nakliang president ke MCA uba learning as bare habekran merginong thok khobor ulong baki khna ele kai ki hikai hi ulong bahapo ka national games ki dan bon ki category bat kani ka category ka baki khna ki job kalong ba pau bha minta ulong ru ba ka kinhuan ka persang kat bala ba kani ka category kan yo bandrong ha ka national games namar kilo yi ba bon ki khna ka jila ki tibet ha kani ka jingele kai shu ulong ba ka kinhuan ka lapenong yi ka jing hikai bat minta ki dang ya chakmat ha ki category ba pher ya ki kinthei bat shinrang ulong ba ka pisa ka ba ki yo na ka sarkar kalong bet thek tang na ka benta ka national games.
My name is Titus Parak. I'm from North Hills and I represent Meghalaya in the downhill individual men elite. It's great to have the national championship in Northeast in this first time, and it's a privilege to have gotten the first position in so to say home ground. Yeah.
So, this is your first time to compete on national championship?
Oh no, this is not my first time. This is my second medal at national championship. I've won my second medal in 2024, and this is my this time I've achieved the first goal.
So, what is your next share?
Well, I have some plans and ambitions. Next, I aim for Asian Championship and many more private races. Basically, I train by myself, and I am partly sponsored by one of the company from Delhi. They help me, and also Meghalaya Cycling Association also help in some ways to help me reach here and to concentrate for further plans.
Do you stay in Meghalaya?
Sometimes in Garhwal, sometimes in Shillong.
Most of the time here in Shillong.
Yeah, I study here. I just graduated. Well, it's competitive where we are fighting for fractions in my category. So 1-2 seconds makes a huge difference for us, and competing with the whole country is definitely difficult. But I think whatever we've been trained for, it paid off at the end.
So you feel like you need to practice more?
Well, if you compare it to international standard, we're still a little bit behind. We still need a lot of support, and we still need to train a lot more. This is one achievement. This is one step we can say, which we've moved forward with, but we will still need a lot more help.
Ko na kublay try to suppose jungi wala ay nikatom nga ba kini gajing job ta ngari kita imeban ay bang lang siyam te ngasyo nga sa anya po Shillong te nga simpat ako ka 22nd mountain biking championship ka ba doon po Arunachal Pradesh rowe district. Pakai kategori pengasih magari ka men elite downhill.
Kila
Pot so bangan le mountain biking ngala sedang menya so kutono badang red Hima so ngala dan trasbet. Te nga sedang men race kumte race hadu usnam aja khatar. Te kade ka BMX downhill ba long hapo long pior mencho. Te ski nantu ngadang ban sedang suka MTB aja khandai. Te na aja kuwe ngadang le competitive races te ngala job bon kiris ka do ka international race ngala job ka bolong lasio job ka Red Bull long. Te nga koi second hapo Mizoram. International ASEAN te ka national sunset. Te lata ski local race kila bona kan masuk. Kumtai kumba yang di performing women te ngirang dong kam sui banya practice shu nomor ni ke platform ngila ngimpa daslam ngirang dong thma te wala kataru ngilai tristomi te ngila ibang ni apa international kat sebayo untuk ki cloud forest basha ka forest ngianya ngia pen bahas na job ngia kat ba ki sha ngia katali kan bespa di bikila maka government ki system bikila support ini kan yarap ni kira maka cenjar ba personally bingin sim ya kan bingin le kan mangidong kam ka jaka ka bahe te kala ka government menyerap lu kum ki yarap ki wiki sport kan yarap baik mengila ki atizini banwan ra ki medal pasti jong ke ketring yang patrai kendan ta ki dan jong ki XO te yang ni patrai kendan ke riju.
Then next, some mono shoot, mono fit position. All in there, one of you. Meghalaya Cycling Association, you participate you can national championship. Kabali ka first time mangi perlong hapo Northeast, kilong hapo Arunachal Pradesh. Tingi kumpa khatlai mo kikna jongi naga Meghalaya Cycling you participate. Te menta ngi yo medal, kawi ka gold medal ngi yo kali khaling jong ka downhill. Hagba ini rider jongi Titus Parak from North Garo Hills. Right? Yo a gold medal. And then ya ka bronze yo iti ba Ivan Suyam. Di na po nung tumay bisa. Te kini ki asik jong iru hadirin bagi lai training mentaus nem. Kita ka coaching ke training. Te ba ka jing rap ang government. La perlong ki la don ki coach. Te baru khat kini la atlet la improve lu. Te baru khat hina ki yo bagi top 10. All India rank. Te kata hai ka jing dokumen jong ba nga expect ba nangi syakmat kemut especially ki jing pengkret jong na menta jong national games. Mindon chan ke ba baru khat ki mo lagi benta ki bagi participate bagi yo medal lagi.
Kano ngod baro khat ki yalich dai?
Ya mentang ngi khalai ngot. Deh, khalai ngot. Te baru khat hi kini bidan ni. Ya pha tangata. Ate deh, ara lu khat santai.
Radu asal. Arunachal def yo.
Te kuma phela yo so bane na ki ni ki athlete jongi khatam ni tu ki bajok medals ba bouncing hi ki training hi ki le coaching hi ki pelut hi na di mensimenta kini ka kategori ba ki le menta. Dengan kuat mensimenta UP ba hapo jong ka national games ki bon kategori. Te kini kategori ka ba kini kena yang job bon medals ki ong ka downhill. Marka ong popular ba menta. Hateleng ka perthai. Asang lo popular ba haniru. Te ka kuat ba bha ka long ba hakini ki kindet banai ni layo kubar ba warka cycling federation of India kala recognize ni te bat ni kibilentir ba menta kasin ba ni nakaliang jongi ni persang hi ka bala mangila man pendung ya kani ka kategori ru hapo ka national games namar ni lai i ba ki pun ki kana na Meghalaya ba ki long ki ba kani ka kalai te kumanchu ong pat ya kini ki kam ki bede bat ka national games menta nakaliang association ki coaching ki laya cha ki jingti te ki tar bro ki laya tang bagi nang tip kan ina ai coaching bekit tang tu kategori ki badal pa national games kata ko cross country nam ta je kin he big central mungkin ay sa coaching dekat ba nam ta jong kani ka TH pak nimpa la production ya ro nomor pa kapisa ka dungiyo man ta na government ka long bekit nam ta national games